Alright, what's your name?
Vincent.
Vincent, what are you doing today?
Gonna go skydiving.
Jumping out with Justin?
Yeah.
You're crazy, man.
I am crazy.
Yeah, why do you want to do this?
I don't know. Just feeling stupid.
Feeling stupid. Alright, well you came to the right place.
Yeah.
Alright, man, give me big smiles out there. Let's have some fun.
Woo.
All right, man, how was that?
That was great.
You do it again?
Yeah.
You look good out there, man. Welcome to Sky. Thanks for
Yeah.
Skydive San Diego. Man.